How to enable smart anti-tracking on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable smart anti-tracking on Samsung Internet Browser. First thing, go to the browser and now click these three lines here in the bottom corner and click settings, and here you will find browsing privacy dashboard. Click on it and then click smart anti-tracking, and if you want to enable it just click always here and go back. Now it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.